Okay, I'd like you to begin this one with your eyes open and just softly focus forward. Let your breathing, fall into its natural rhythm. Don't try to control it. But you can, if you wish, just bring your attention down to your belly, your lower belly. And you may find your breathing becoming slower, deeper, all by itself. Just noticing what's in front of you, within your visual field. Just begin to slowly expand your field of vision. So you're beginning to take in as far left of you and as far right of you as you possibly can. And can you sense how quiet the mind becomes when we move into peripheral vision? When we take in our full landscape. And now just close your eyes or look down towards the floor. And I'd like you just to notice as you bring your attention back to your stomach, your lower stomach, following each breath all the way down to your belly. Just notice how present, how quiet, and how still your mind becomes. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to where we're focusing. And I wonder if you get a sense now of how easy it is to access your awakened awareness, the peaceful part of you that resides within. That's always there. Even with the noises that may be happening around you, or even if your mind wanders now and then to different thoughts, there's still a sense of peace. Space around you. And you don't have to look for that space. It's just there. And with each breath, see if you can sense the space around each breath. The space that surrounds you. And I wonder if you can just begin to bring your attention now to your heart. Any sensations you're experiencing? The rise and fall maybe of your chest. Maybe the gentle pulsing of your heartbeat. And something that I've experienced recently is that when you place your attention on your heart, you may begin to tune into a sense of glowing. Like there's a subtle shift within your energy. Now don't go looking for this. It's nothing you have to make happen. But just see if you can get a sense of what changes for you in your energy, in your awareness, when you're tuning into your heart. It doesn't matter if you didn't experience what you were hoping to experience. We're just cultivating a sense of awareness. Can you become aware of your awareness? Almost like you're looking back at yourself to get a sense of where are you aware from? Becoming aware, self-aware of your awareness. And as you do that, can you get a sense of, again, something changing within your energy? A changing vibration. Changing temperature, heat. Your awareness expanding. And just for the next few minutes, can you just explore your awareness and how it connects with everything around you? Like an ocean. Connected with everything as one. And then just give yourself a wonderful inner smile for doing this work with me. I'm very grateful that you're here supporting this podcast. You can open your eyes and come back to your surroundings. I'd like you to think about what can you take from today's meditation into your day. And if you enjoyed this type of meditation, which had more of a spiritual feel to it, which is the direction that some of my meditations will be going in this year, then you may really enjoy my Another Level channel. The link is in the show notes, which contains deeper, longer, and more experimental content that your feedback will help determine if it makes it to the main podcast. Something that I know people enjoy about the Another Level channel are the collections. So if you enjoy the NSDRs, they're in one place. If you enjoy spiritual meditation, they're in another place. If you enjoy mindfulness, they're in another place. So you can search and dive into the meditations that really resonate with you. As always, please share this with anyone you think would love to experience this type of meditation. Please leave me a review. I'd love to know what you think, and I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode.